Go.
We're trying to do yard work with a dog that thinks he's a kid playing in the leaves.
Get off it. Get off that man. Go on. Alright, I'm going to pull this over in the...
Okay. The last pile was huge, and Jesse jumped right in it like he was a kid. Jesse, look. Look over here. Where's your dad?
Jesse, you can help me. Help?
There's not enough leaves. He only likes it when it's piled high.
Oh my God, let go of that. Get up. What are you doing? Hey! Get off my thing! Whose dog are you? Who do you put? Don't put the leaves on your...
There's no leaves left on it, Rob. Oh no! Jesse! Jesse!
Hey!
Come back here and get all those leaves back. I don't want him to rip that up.
Hey. Leave it. Leave it alone. Look what you've done. Look. Right here. Those are my leaves up. I want to get over there. Get out. I'm gonna get you. Well, that was a nice try.